Now we're answering the question, how long should a literature review be in your dissertation proposal? And of course, there is usually no one-size-fits-all approach. But I think there are two basic things that you need to think about. The first one is, of course, what the institution actually requests, because there are quite some differences from institution to institution. Each institution has its own guidelines, things that you need to adhere to. So, first of all, check that and see what the expectations and the requirements actually are. Now, once you have figured out that, then really it always boils down to the following. You need to fill the space with as much valuable information that you can get, right? So it's not about conducting a literature review for the sake of conducting a literature review for the sake of filling up space, or actually also showing how well you know the literature. That's all not really the aim of a proposal literature review. Instead, you need to see what are the things that you actually want to do and how can you connect this to the current literature. That's really the only goal that you have. So if you can do this within the allotted space that you have for your proposal, then that's great, of course. More often than not, maybe the perception is that you don't have enough space, which is quite common for dissertation proposals because, of course, as a supervisor or as a potential supervisor, you don't want to read pages and pages and pages of dissertation proposals, but rather you would like people to be, coming to the point, communicating what it is, what they want to do and where they can connect it to. So then try just to, move to a different level of presentation, maybe making it slightly more abstract or more concrete depending on the circumstances, but to really focus on the one thing where you think, okay, this shows the value of my intended research and the current literature, and I know there will be some discussion based on this.